everyone. We'll be talking about our final stage of the developmental milestone, which is from age 1 to 3. Like we said, developmental milestone is actually the physical and behavioral development of a child as they grow. And if you remember, we talked about the fact that every child develops differently at different age, but we could say if they are within a particular age, it's counted as normal. If any child does not have any pathology, they will surely attain their milestone and then surpass it, because this is actually a great indicator for us to know if the child is going very well. So we go to see our child that is already 1 year, and then how do they go step by step into 3 years. Going through the same process of saying motor development, language development, emotional development, and nutritional development, of course. At age 1, the child is expected to pull up to stand, walk, holding onto furniture. It's expected at that age. It's expected also the child to imitate play at this point. When they see movement, they try to imitate it, and then they explore objects, trying to pick up things from every point, and they may speak single words more fluently, unlike when they were about 8 to 9 months, saying mama, dada, bye-bye. And then now they make exclamations like oh, oh, ho, as at that age. And then as they continue, they imitate adults and they show affections. You see them holding you around their neck and hugging. That's that part of their emotional development. And then they can use pronouns like you, I, and me. And then they can continue to understand the concept of mine, having to have ownership of what belongs to them. At this point, they want to have their own corner where they have to imitate their play. They have imaginary friends at this point. You see them trying to talk to themselves, and then they try to make friends at this point. So having to have home play is a good time at this point, where they can have friends come over or they go over to their friends. And at this point, it's expected at 3 years for a child to have been able to work, take a step on the stairs as they grow as part of their motor development. And the nutritional development at this stage, the child can now get to feed themselves, picking the kind of food that they need, their favorite meal, and they need more energy. So at this point, they need to have more energy-giving food because they are expending a lot of energy. So in conclusion, developmental milestone is actually a great indicator that shows the development and growth of every child. It is important for us to pay close attention to it. However, every child will develop differently, even if they are given birth to by the same mother. But if their development is within the range, a child may decide to work at 8, like I said earlier, while another may decide to work at 18 months. It all still remains within the normal period. Also, we need to put in mind that every child grows differently, and we need to continue to watch out for this development with these 4 key parts: motor, emotional, language, and nutritional. However, delay is not denial. A child that does not have any other form of pathology will surely attain their milestones and surpass them. If fear and anxiety sets in, let's consult our physicians. Thank you.